Hello and welcome to ActiveNet Bytes. ActiveNet Bytes, as you know, is an opportunity for you to get to meet our brilliant suppliers and buyers that are coming to Eastwood Hall on the 29th and 30th of March. And today I'm really excited because not only are we introducing you to a brand new supplier to ActiveNet, they've never been before, but also it's a really interesting subject that I think will be of interest to an awful lot of our operators. So before we start, let's do an intro. So Duarte, would you mind telling us who you are and what you do, please?
Hi, David. My name is Duarte Tito. My background is electrochemistry, PhD in electrochemistry in North Wales, and I'm technical director of elentec.
Fantastic. And John?
I'm the original founder of elentec. I've been working on this for 20 years, and we're very pleased to be at ActiveNet, having been introduced by Tracy, and we think it's a good way to get our new product out to the market.
Excellent. Thank you, John. That's Tracy at South Suffolk Leisure, isn't it?
That's right, yeah. Abbeycroft, yes, that's right, yes.
Brilliant,
yes.
Thank you. Well, look, John, you've been doing this for 20 years, so I'm going to ask you to explain what the product is and why would our buyers want to talk to you?
Okay, well, we've been doing electrochemistry and electrochemical water treatment for 20 years, mainly in the industrial sector. So we've cleaned up mine waste in Snowdonia, fish farms, waste, and so on. And we were approached to develop a product to recycle the warm water from swimming pool backwash systems.
Right.
So we've been doing that for the last 5 years, I would guess, and we've now developed it as a product. So it comes out of much greater research, if you like, carried over that, and we've continued that with this. So with all these bigger companies, we always try and do what we say we're going to do and not overpromise. We've had several months, 9 months now, working in Sudbury with a system that we've installed on the leisure centre there, and the results are going well within PUTAG standards, and everybody seems to be very pleased with it.
Okay, so John, what are the outcomes then? What are the results? What is this about? A saving in energy?
It is. It saves water and it saves energy. Right. So it depends how much backwash water you put through. But for example, the pool that we've got, the estimates were that they would save 2,000 tons of water a year. Both the purchase of the new water, if you like, top-up water, and as it's discharged to sewage. And it also saves the energy of heating the new water up from incoming temperature to swimming temperature, so probably a 20-degree difference. Right. So the estimate is it's 2,000 tons of water and about 47,000 kilowatts of energy. Okay. And those numbers are being borne out by the data we're producing with the operating system.
Okay, that's fantastic, John. And in the current climate, that's absolutely invaluable. So, Duarte, I guess those are the types of things you're going to be talking to our operators about. Is there anything else that, from your background, that you'll be sharing with our operators?
Yeah, I mean, the idea here, David, is that we scaled down the system from our typical agricultural and industrial applications, but we come at this from a resource recovery perspective. Right. And this is what we've done with agriculture and with mining, and not looking at effluent as something you need to dispose, but what can you recover from effluent? And in this case, you can recover energy and water. And so it's present that benefits, how that reduces your carbon footprint when operating a leisure centre, the environmental benefits that brings, but critically also the cost reductions, because you're saving on water, you're saving on energy, and you're saving on sewage discharges. And because our systems are also chemical free, we argue that our systems are easier and simpler to operate.
Right. Okay, and that's really important within our environment. As we all know, that there's some really good training out there. And John, you mentioned PUTAG, but actually we don't have a lot of experts running our pool plant anymore, not like we used to. So, John, I can see why our delegates would want to talk to you, but why do you want to come to ActiveNet?
Well, because we were introduced originally by Tracy at Abbeycroft, and having looked at it and spoken to you, it seems like a very good place to, if you like, start our sales process. Okay. When I say start, obviously we've got systems in and we're doing other things, but this seemed like a very good outlet.
Brilliant. Okay, so I hope what you'll bring with you is a few examples of what you've achieved. I'm sure Tracy would be more than happy to talk to others around them as a pilot site for you. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you at ActiveNet in Eastwood Hall. Take care, gentlemen, and thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for seeing us.
Thank you. Thank you very much.